Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't fail to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post updates like this, you will be the first one to know about it. So today I'll be showing people another update. This one, let me say, it's very evil free. You not will be doing anything serious. The app will be working on its own. And the name of the app is Money SMS. You will see the link of the app in the description below or in the comment section, and you will see the referral code. So use this so that you too can get 0.50 euro. So you click on this one. You can see the interface of the app. You can see it. You can see it. It is online. Make sure your own is always online. It's running. Even if your data is on, the app will be running. You don't even have any serious work to do. And when you want to register this app, they will ever tell you to register with an MTN line that is on WhatsApp or Airtel or Glo, depending on the actual line they are using at that period of time. So this is the app. Yesterday I placed withdraw on this app. Of 2.39 euro, and I was paid to my what is to call it, to my spender wallet. I was paid. I received the money. This is the withdrawal. I was paid. Then go back. This is where you'll be seeing the availability when you are online. This is the total SMS. This is 13 days. Like, I've used the app for 13 days, like constantly, because sometimes I don't normally even open the app, but if it's you are really serious about it, you can be making money from it. This is the current rate per SMS. They will just be sending message. The app will be sending message to your inbox. You'll be seeing messages coming, but don't be afraid. Nothing is going on, nothing is wrong. Then you see the total SMS that I've made. Then you come here, you see all the messages they are sending. You'll be seeing it here. You see the messages, Apple, go, you see it, all of them. You'll be seeing it here. This one is not your problem. Don't come and be doing anything there. When you come here, you see there's no voice note. Come to settings, you can see it, your account information, that's your email, referral program. If you refer people, they will still be giving you points. The payment method, you can either use PayPal or Bitcoin. Me, I use Bitcoin because I don't like sending money, all this error to my PayPal, to avoid PayPal restriction. So I come use wallets to prevent all those PayPal wahala. Then language, English. If it's your own, you don't want to put English, you can put the one you know. And these are just, if you want to follow them, you follow them. These are just everything about the app. When register the app, it's not hard. When you want to register, it's not hard. Let me minimize it and take you to my group so you see the information. You see it, they say get paid for receiving SMS. Guys, this app is really paying. I've tested it. This thing. Then you see receiving SMS. You'll be paid to receive SMS registration bonus when your friend they register. When you refer a friend, immediately you register to this app, they will give you 0.50 euro if you use my referral code. This app is not on Play Store. Take note, it's not on Play Store. If you want to download it, you click on the link. It's an APK file. You click on the link. Then after downloading the file, then you now install the app. See, that's the same thing. If your this thing is blocking it, at first when I wanted to install it, my phone was blocking it, so I went to the security settings and check and enable it to download on no files. Then the thing was working. If you still try this method, it's not working for you, I will advise you to just go on YouTube. Just look for how to install or no app, and trust me, it will work for you. That's the same way I did my own. So that's just what I wanted to show you guys today. That's what I want to share. Please try, and if you are a stay-at-home or you're a business person, this is actually one thing for you to do. If you notice me, if you check on my videos where I do all updates, me, I'm a stay-at-home mom, I do all updates and I withdraw from all of them. So if you want to still be like somebody like me, then try and involve yourself in any update you see me posting. Try and be doing it. If you're a student, the same thing. Try and be doing it. You will make money from it. Except you don't want money. Just do this one now. You will not will be the one testing. You are not doing any big work here. You are not testing anything. They are the one testing. Once you own your data, the app will start running. If you check here now, you will see it's Money SMS. Status okay, waiting for SMS. They are just the one doing it. You don't have any big work to do here. That's how easy the thing is. If you want to check your balance will be showing at the top here. Me currently, based on my withdrawal yesterday, currently I don't have any balance. But if I start earning now, you'll be seeing it here. So that's how it is. So give it a try and tell me how it went. I love you guys. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video. Click and join. You will meet others there. I have a group of almost 1k plus. Like I have a group of 900 and something. 970 something, almost 1k. So please try and join. If you are in the main group, try and join the discussion group. This discussion group. Try and join the discussion group. Don't forget, that's where we chat. The main group is always locked to avoid all this. You know, the people there, they are too much. So if you open it, people will start doing rubbish. So that's why we created discussion group, so that anybody can be chatting there. You can be asking questions, we will answer you. So that's how it is. I love you guys. Bye.